Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do sardine sambal and these are the ingredients. Firstly, we need to clean our sardine from the mackerel tin. As you can see from this video, we have smashed the sardine into small pieces. The viewers also can put the whole sardine. Firstly, we need 1 sliced onion, tomato, curry leaves and ginger paste. As a first step, we need to put the oil into our heated wok. Then put some fenugreek seeds. Followed by the sliced onion, and some curry leaves. Then we need to add our ginger paste. Saute it all together. In this video we are adding turmeric paste. The viewers can use turmeric powder also. Now we are going to add the tomato. Next, we need to add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Now we are going to add some chilli paste. This is a homemade chilli paste. The viewers can add as much of chilli paste they want according to their level of spiciness. Next, we are going to add our tamarind juice. Tamarind juice can give a better taste and also it can actually help our sardine sambal from spoiling. Next, we are going to add some water and let it boil until the oil breaks. Now we are going to add Asafoetida powder and this is optional. Now we are going to add the sardine. Mix it evenly all together. And this is the balanced sauce in our sardine tin that we still can use. we need to let our sardine sambal to boil until it becomes gravy. And lastly, a pinch of salt as per taste. Other than rice, this sardine sambal is preferable eating with chapati and also other kind of main dishes. Please let us know after trying our dish in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell button and thank you for watching.